Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can change your profile picture on your MacBook. So let's begin. First off, grab the cursor and head up to the top left corner and press the Apple logo. Then come down to System Preferences. Within System Preferences, go to Users and Groups. Within Users and Groups, you'll see your user account here and the word Edit. Click Edit. Within this window, you can see your current picture. You can select from the defaults. You can click Camera and take a photo of yourself, and you can select from your photos. Once you've found a selection you like, just click Save. You can close this window, and the next time you lock your screen, you'll see your new profile picture. So hopefully this has helped you out. If it has, really appreciate if you can give the video just a quick thumbs up. Really helps me out a lot. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.